Everyone, this is just a simple half up half down hairstyle. It takes no time at all to recreate this hairstyle and it's for any occasion. First we prep the hair, just curl it a little bit with my GHD and then spray some texture spray. We're going to do now is just make a bungee using 2 bobby pin and a clear elastic band. Then take a section of the crown of the head, bring it into the middle. We're going to just put the bungee over it with the 2 bobby pins, like so. Just use the groovy side down, and then we have something looking like this. And all we're going to do next is just take a little section of the left side and then twist that a little bit and then bring that over onto the right side. Pin that away with some bobby pin. You use as much as you need to make it nice and secure. Next we spray it with some hairspray and then pinch and pull it out a little bit just to the side, just to give it a little bit more volume to it. And then all we're going to do is just bring another section from the right side and then twist that a little bit and then bring that over. And we're going to do is a little loop. Just put your finger through the first section that we done. Slip it through there and then just pop the right side section into your fingers and then pull it through like so. There we go, and then just pin that away with some bobby pin. Use as much bobby pin as you need again and just put the groovy side down. Spray it a little bit with some hairspray and just pinch and pull the crown just to give it a bit more volume to it. And you should have something looking like this. Spray with some hairspray and this is the finished look. If you like this hair